Hi traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders Weekly Forex Outlook. We're going to start with gold and see what the market is preparing for us next week. Okay, going to start on H4 time frame. Okay, on H4 time frame, what we are expecting on gold, we're expecting the drop. Okay, why we're expecting the drop? After the market moved aggressively last week to break this roof, then we expected now to have that running flag. Okay, we're expecting to complete this running flag, then up move again. Okay, so now if you go to a lower time frame to look for a trade on lower time frame, you'll watch closely how the market is going to give you a setup. Okay, so we'll watch a drop on gold. So how are you going to trade this drop? As now we've got the start of the correction, we'll let this to correct here, stay for a while, then we can look for that drop. So we'll be biased to downside on gold. Do trade well on gold, guys. Okay, then we'll go to our next pair. That will be silver. On silver also we are needing a drop on silver. Okay, remember on our last week outlook, we're expecting the market to give us a drop here, a correction, then a drop again. But now the market did give a small correction here, then a sharp move or an aggressive move. Then it came back again with an aggressive move to the downside. Okay, if you were looking closely on 15 minutes, there was good trades on 15 minutes. Okay, there were good trades on 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes for you to start to sell. Okay, there were good moves here on 15 minutes. We've got this down move here, then a correction here. Okay, then you take the trade here. It moved aggressively, then a correction again for you to take the trade. Then you should manage your profits here. Okay, then now we are expecting the market to give us a bigger structure here on 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, we'll be watching that drop again on silver. So to trade well, we are still biased to downside on silver, guys. Okay, so what you're going to wait for, you'll need something like this, that correction for you to take that drop, then expect the market to bounce here to give a reversal for an upside. Okay, because we are seeing this as a running flag, guys. Okay, this running flag, we are seeing a good pattern or a continuation pattern to complete there. So we're going to get this down move to complete the whole structure to silver. Okay, so do trade well on silver. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be DXY. Right, on DXY, on our last weekly outlook, we're expecting this to be a correction for us to drop. So the market did, I think this was a war on Ukraine, Russia and Ukraine, for the market to give us this aggressive move. Okay, so now what you need to do, the market can push again here, up move, give a new roof, then impulse, a correction, then you can drop. Okay, let me show you two things on DXY that we are expecting. I'll zoom. We're expecting the market to give us a drop from around this roof, a drop. Watch closely this zone. Okay, it can test this one, then go up again to complete this running flag. Okay, we'll be expecting that. But if we get a strong down move here, okay, but if you get that strong down move here, expect another correction here for a continuation to drop. Okay, so we are still biased to downside on DXY. Do trade well on DXY, guys. Okay, then we'll go to euro. USD. USD, if you remember, we're looking for an up move, okay? Then again, we got this sharp down move. So how are we going to trade for next week? We'll go to a 15 minutes or 1 hour. Let's go to a 15 minutes time frame and see how we're going to tackle the market, okay? Right, at the current state, after getting that drop, a big drop to break this low, then we got the impulse here, then this 1, 2, 3 for you to take that trade, okay? Do manage your trade, then the stop is behind here. Do manage your trade, watch to break aggressively this trend line, okay? This trend line, then a structure above the trend line for you to take that buy. So we are biased to upside on Euro USD, okay? You can watch only correction, a continuation here for you to take that buy, okay? Then another correction for you to take another buy. We are still biased to upside on Euro USD, guys. Then we'll go to our next pair, that will be pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar, we are looking for an up move on pound dollar, okay? Remember, we are looking for a drop on pound dollar. So we expected this to give us an one up move, but the market did being aggressive to a down move, okay? So we did analyze again. We saw that, okay, this is going to break this floor and make a new floor here. Then it got the bounce here, guys, okay? I'll show on lower time frame. There's a setup here for you to take that buy. Let's go to a lower time frame for you to see that buying setup on pound dollar, okay? Right. We got, after that bounce here, we got an aggressive move, okay? Then we got 1, 2, 3. So you can put your buying limit above here, put your stop behind, then expect a big buy on pound dollar. Why big buy? Let me show you a 4-hour time frame. If you're going to take the trade, that is giving you the setup here, okay? We're expecting the price to come and take or break this roof, even this roof, okay? Then this will be 1, 2, 3. We'll see if this is going to give us a correction here, a bigger correction for us to, for a continuation, give you one more up move here, or it's going to give it a correction, impulse correction, then drop, okay? Then what you're going to need from here, you'll need this kind of move, okay? You need this kind of move. Take a trade here, put your stop behind, then this will be your trade. But for next week, when the market opens, we'll watch closely how this trade that we're going to take here with the limit, and watch this trade, okay? Will be biased to upside on pound dollar. Right, do trade well on pound dollar. We'll go to our next pair. That would be NZD USD. Right, on NZD USD, it's interesting, guys. Again, we're looking for a drop on USD, NZD USD. This 1, 2, 3 for a drop, okay? But the market now, it being aggressive here, we're expecting a correction here for us to take that trade, another trade, okay? Because on lower time frame, there were short trades that we got on break even, okay? But we saw again that the market is giving us a big running flag here, okay? The big running flag, because there were reversal signs there, okay? There were reversal signs here, guys, because we got this trend line. There's 2 touches, then we connect a trend line, then the market did bounce here, okay? So we saw that the market did give us an impulse here, 1, 2, 3, then for you to take that trade, okay? An impulse, then it came back, use this pattern to go back again, then again this drop it gave us another pattern for us to see that the market is going to turn again and give us in one more up move to break again this roof. Okay, so we took our profit for this drop, then we're in buys again on lower time frame. Let me show you on lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on 15 minutes time frame, they were aggressive here. 1, 2, 3, a running flag here, guys. Okay, for you to take the trade above the running flag, then now the correction again. If this was staying much longer here, we should take out our trades there, okay, for buy. But the market did give us a 1, 2, 3 for us to go up again. We'll be looking for a buy again on NZD USD, but this can give you short buy, then a bigger correction here. Okay, a bigger correction for you to take the buy above that correction. Okay, we'll be looking for buy on NZD USD. Do trade well on NZD USD. Then our next pair, that will be Aussie USD. Okay, on Aussie USD, we'll go to a 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, what we are expecting, guys, we're expecting this running flag to complete this running flag. Okay, we've got this 1, 2, 3. We expect this 1, 2, 3 again. Okay, here for a drop again. So now at the current state, because here we were looking for this to go down, but the market did again. After we analyzed properly, we saw that the market is giving us another buy. Okay, so watch this buy that we took here. There was a buy, good buys, guys. Yeah, then this one, it's a running flag on its own. We should be having that limit above that running flag, okay, for you to take the buy here. But this buy can come here, then give you a correction. Okay, the correction that you are looking for, will be expecting something like this. Okay, you'll be expecting something like this for you to take another buy on Aussie dollar. So we'll be trading well and with care on Aussie dollar, guys. Okay, then from that buy, we'll be expecting to expose that zone. Then we'll be looking for our drops here. Okay, so we are expecting a drop from these zones. Why we're expecting this drop? Because we got this impulse here, 1, 2, 3, and impulse here, 1, 2, 3. We'll be expecting this to give us a drop. Okay, so watch closely and do trade with discipline, guys. Okay, we'll go to our next pair. That will be USD CAD. Right, on USD CAD, what we are expecting on USD CAD, we've got a move here, or a wave, or you can call it one, after getting this impulse. Okay, right, this B wave is not complete at the current state. We are not happy with our B, okay, because it turns around here. Okay, then give an impulse here. This is a correction that we are expecting for it to expose and give a flat pattern here, or expanding, for us to give us a buy again. But now the market came back here again, so we'll be expecting this running flag to complete. Then for you to take the trade, you'll expect on 15 minutes or 1 hour impulse here, a correction, then take that buy, expect to expose this floor, this roof. Okay, then we'll go to a lower time frame and see how the market unfolds there. Okay, so we'll be watching this to give us a reversal. Okay, we're watching this closely. That's why we're having this pass from here, that we need this to touch or expose this roof. Okay, from here, what you expect, we'll expect an impulse here, then a correction, then we can take that buy, expose this roof. Okay, then from there, we'll see on 4 hour a bigger structure. Okay, after that buy, we'll see from this zone that we expect an impulse here, a pattern, then for you to take that drop. That drop will complete this bigger structure, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then from here we'll look for a buy. Okay, there's a good buy on USDK that is coming. Okay, then the market can break aggressively to break this roof. Okay, if you are in this buy, do manage your trade well, because it can be aggressively. It will be using this pattern. Okay, this 1, 2, 3. Then this can be our start of the move to upside to break this roof. Okay, so we'll be biased to upside on dollar CAD. If you are looking for sell, we are not anticipating any sell, but this can, you can watch a correction around here, give us a drop, then this will be your 1, 2, 3. Okay, then expect a buy again, then a drop, then you can look for a buy. You can screenshot that move that I predict at the current state. Okay, this will be our pattern here to give us this impulse here. Then this impulse will be looking for this one, then we'll be getting our buy, of which it's going to be this impulse. Okay, do trade well on dollar CAD. Then we'll go to a dollar yen. On dollar yen H4, we are looking for buy, a continuation buy. Okay, we're seeing we are in this ending diagonal. Okay, this ending diagonal, we're expecting it to complete by getting that buy. So how are we going to trade on lower time frame, such as 1 hour or 15 minutes? We'll watch closely this pattern that has started. Okay, we're expecting this pattern to complete on itself. Take a buy here above, put your stop, and watch this close. This is your buying or setup that you be taking on dollar yen. Okay, then from here we'll be expecting the price to drop again, then it can drop aggressively to downside. I will show you on 4-hour or daily. Let me show to daily. On daily, we are expecting this to drop, guys. Expecting this to drop after getting this A move, then a B structure here with the correction. This is another impulse. Okay, so from here we'll be looking for our drops on dollar yen. Okay, but your move that you'll be trading from next week when the market opens will be looking for that buy, this buy, guys. Okay, we'll be expecting this buy above here. Put your stop behind, then watch closely this trade. Do trade while on dollar yen. We'll go to dollar chief now. On dollar chief, what we're expecting on dollar chief, this is a 1 hour time frame. Let's show you a 4-hour time frame and see how we're expecting this market to unfold. Okay, right. Okay, let me show you on daily and give you the whole structure on dollar chief. Right, on dollar chief, what we are expecting, we're expecting this to complete with this buy. Okay, we expect this to rise to complete this B wave structure. Then we expect this drop here to complete this bigger B wave structure. Okay, then we'll be expecting this impulse here, this impulse. Then this will be your 1, 2, 3. We'll see if this is going to give us a drop or a correction above. But this is not what we are telling you now to look for next week. We are telling you to look for this buy, then watch closely this roof for you to take that drop. Okay, then from here we'll expect a reversal patterns here. Okay, for you to take that buy. Then we'll go to our next pair, that's our last pair, dollar ZAR. On dollar ZAR, on daily time frame, we are still in this pattern, guys. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, this is our impulse. We are expecting an impulse again, but this is not coming at the current moment. We'll wait for trade setup on 4-hour and 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, then what we are expecting here, we are expecting that running flag to complete, guys. Okay, that running flag to complete. Expect this running flag to complete here. Then for you to take the trade, we've got that impulse down. We are waiting for this correction. I'll show you on the what time frame now for you to take that drop. Okay, from here we'll be expecting up move again. Okay, from here expect a reversal to go down, up, to go up, guys, similar to this impulse, but this can be more aggressive, yeah, than this one. Okay, so on lower time frame, 15 minutes for you to take the trade. Okay, because they were good setup for this drop. There was a drop set up here. There was a drop set up here. Okay, this can give you a bigger correction here for you to take that drop. So we'll be watching closely how the market's going to behave around this zone, but we are expecting a bigger correction for you to take the trade. Okay, we are biased to downside on Euro USD. Okay, guys, thank you. Do trade with care and discipline the coming weeks, and we'll see you next week. Thank you, guys.